When it comes to generating natural sounding text, two major players stand out: AI21 Labs and GPT-3. But the big question is, which one really delivers the best results for crafting high quality, human like text? Let's dive into the details, and by the end of this video, I'll reveal the best option for your needs. Now, right off the bat, AI21 Labs and GPT-3 are both incredibly powerful, but they each have their strengths and weaknesses. So, let's get into a few key areas where these models differ and where they really shine or fall short. First up, AI21 Labs is known for its language model called Jurassic 1. It's designed to provide detailed, well-structured text generation. In some cases, Jurassic 1 handles complex sentence structures better than GPT-3, giving it an edge in terms of fluency and coherence, especially when crafting longer, more intricate pieces of writing. But here's the catch: when it comes to simpler, more concise text or conversational tone, AI21's model sometimes struggles to maintain the same natural feel that GPT-3 effortlessly delivers. Next, GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, has built its reputation on generating incredibly diverse and flexible text. It excels in tasks where context switching is important, like writing multiple kinds of content in one go: articles, code, even poetry. GPT-3's massive database allows it to adapt and create responses that feel more natural in everyday conversation, making it a popular choice for those looking to generate human-like responses quickly and efficiently. However, GPT-3 isn't perfect. Sometimes it can produce overly generic content or miss some nuances that more specialized models like AI21 Labs handle with more precision. The third thing we need to talk about is the fine-tuning capabilities. AI21 Labs offers a fine-tuning feature that allows users to adjust its outputs based on specific needs, which could be a game changer for businesses or developers looking for more control over the AI's responses. On the flip side, GPT-3, while powerful, lacks the same level of customization in its base form. You can adjust outputs, but the fine-tuning options aren't as refined as AI21's. Now, let's consider pricing. GPT-3's pricing model can be tricky. Depending on how much text you're generating, it could get expensive quickly. AI21 Labs, on the other hand, provides more flexibility with its pricing structure, which can work out better for some businesses, especially those on a tighter budget who need consistent output without breaking the bank. Next thing, integration. GPT-3 has an extensive range of integrations with third-party apps, meaning you can use it across different platforms, from web apps to enterprise tools. AI21 Labs, while growing in this area, doesn't quite match GPT-3's widespread integration options, which may limit some users, especially those needing seamless AI integration into their workflows. And lastly, both of these models offer great API access, so if you're a developer, you'll find it easy to integrate them into your apps. But I've found that GPT-3 tends to offer more consistent performance across a range of use cases, especially in customer-facing interactions like chatbots or virtual assistants. AI21 Labs Jurassic 1, while highly capable, can sometimes be a bit slower when processing requests at scale. So, which one is better for generating natural text? Well, both AI21 Labs and GPT-3 have their pros and cons, but after trying both myself, I'd recommend you explore a better alternative, something that delivers reliable, high-quality text generation with ease. If you're ready for a tool that can help you create better content faster, click the first link in the description. Through that link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Give it a shot, and I think you'll see what makes this alternative stand out above the rest.